I never met a chicken salad that I didn't like, so it's my lucky day because Morgan's here and she's going to show us a great chicken salad that she ate out in Oakland, and the dish is called Nyum Sach Moan.
Yeah, Bridget, this is from Chef Nite Yun's restaurant, Nyum Bai. So she has this chicken salad recipe on her menu. It's been on since the beginning, but I will give you a heads up. It is not chicken salad like I often think of where chicken's a big part of it. Chicken plays with a lot of the vegetables here, but it's not the biggest piece. That said, we still need to get it going.
Okay.
So here I have 4 cups of water. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt and, of course, my chicken. I have an 8-ounce chicken breast. I'm just gonna cook this really, really gently. So I'm gonna bring it up to a simmer over medium heat. Once it's simmering, I'm gonna cover it and just let it go over low heat until it hits 160, which will take about 15 minutes. It's been simmering with the lid on for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
Still there.
Still there, still hanging. I'm looking for 160.
Right, okay.
It looks like it's right there.
Magic Morgan.
Magic.
That's what they call you.
Okay, so I'm just gonna let this cool for about 15 minutes and onto the dressing. So here it's got 6 tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 tablespoons or a quarter cup of rice vinegar. Also gonna add a quarter cup of sugar. And then we're gonna have some fun with some Thai chili.
Lovely, that's just one?
Just one, nicely minced in there. And then a minced garlic clove and a quarter teaspoon of salt. So I'm just gonna whisk this up to dissolve the sugar. And that's it.
That's it.
That's the dressing. So we're gonna bring this down
Okay.
and add some of our vegetables. I love how fresh and vibrant and delicious this is, and it has a ton of vegetables going on.
Fantastic.
So at her restaurant, Nite uses a mandolin. I love what it does in this salad. You get these really thin shreds. It's also really consistent, and you can actually be more efficient with a mandolin than you can with a knife. That said, if you're scared of these, you can just use a knife and it's just fine.
Just take your time.
Just take your time. I have a red cabbage that I've quartered. I'm only gonna try to get a cup out of this. And you do wanna keep your fingers away from the blade.
Yes.
So I like to do just a few shreds and check them for thinness and make sure it's about the consistency I want. So I actually want this just a tiny bit thinner.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna tighten this. Let's check a few more. Okay, yeah, now we're cooking. So we've got really nice and fine, so light. In a salad, it's gonna be really, really nice.
Ethereal.
Ethereal, that's exactly the right word, Bridget. I'm gonna add this, about a cup, to my dressing. I also have a Persian cucumber. It's a lot like an English cucumber in that it has a thin skin, almost no seeds. It's really light and refreshing, and it's very, very cute. If you can't find one, you can just use an English cucumber, and that's totally fine as well. So I'm cutting it in half crosswise, and then I'm gonna use the mandolin to get really thin slices lengthwise. I'm gonna use the palm of my hand to guide it. I'm not gonna get my fingertips near this blade.
I have full faith in you.
Yes, slow and steady. This is gonna become a little snack, and look at how beautiful and thin these are.
You can see through them.
I know. So into the bowl. With my radish, I'm gonna actually just cut off the tip to make it, give me a flat surface to work with. And again, same thing, heel of my hand. Okay, so these are going in. I have some more radishes I'm also gonna add in.
So how many all day?
I have 4 radishes all day. I also have a few more vegetables. I've got 4 cups of shredded green cabbage. So the green and red together is really just about getting a lot of pretty color in there. If you really wanted, you could just use all 5 cups of green cabbage or 5 cups of red. I also have a thinly sliced red bell pepper. And I have 2 cups of roughly chopped mizuna. So mizuna is a green that's from the mustard family. It has some of the same intensity of arugula, but some of the same bitterness of frisee. It's really, really nice here. You can often find it at an Asian market, but if you can't find it, it's okay. You can just use arugula. Don't let that keep you from making this. Here, I've got a quarter of a cup of chopped fresh cilantro.
Beautiful.
And a quarter of a cup of chopped fresh mint, and a quarter of a cup of chopped fresh basil. We have our chicken. So this has been cooling about 15 minutes. I'm just gonna shred it into some nice thin shreds.
All right.
So I'm just breaking up any really large pieces. I want it to be really thinly shredded. I love when you get something where a lot of the bites are the same size. Now it is just time to toss.
Okay.
So I'm gonna toss this together. I like to sort of turn the bowl and the tongs to get in there. You can smell the fish sauce, you can smell the herbs. So of course you could serve it right out of this bowl, But since it is meant to be a celebratory meal, I have a pretty platter.
You want to showcase that.
I'm just gonna drizzle any dressing left in here over top. I have 1/4 cup of chopped peanuts. These are just salted peanuts. I like when you get the little hit of salt. They add a little richness. And then this is 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro leaves. So they're actually the whole leaves here. I just think they're so pretty.
Absolutely beautiful.
At her restaurant, Nite actually tries to make people feel like they're transported to Cambodia. So she ordered tablecloths from Cambodia and she plays the same 13 rock songs on repeat.
Really?
Yeah, so
that's great.
I don't have the playlist for you, but I do have this delicious salad.
I thought maybe you were going to sing.
I could try, but it would not be fun for you, I promise. I assure you that.
That is beautiful.
Isn't it? I just think it's stunning. When I think of beautiful food, I often think of cakes and desserts, and then you look at something like this and you're like, color and beauty.
Fresh, vibrant, alive. That is gorgeous. You've got the sweet, you've got the heat, you've got the sour, you've got the salty. It's
And
gorgeous.
the garlic, it's like everything.
Gorgeous. And the freshness.
It's like all the fun flavors in one.
It is all fun flavors. I love the freshness. I'm getting a little bit of that mint, the basil.
Yeah, the Thai basil, the cilantro, all that cabbage.
Out of a scale of 1 to 10, this chicken takes it to 11.
Whoa, hello?
Thank you, Morgan.
Thank you, Bridget.
Well, if you want to make this beautiful chicken salad at home, start by poaching the chicken gently, thinly slice lots of beautiful vegetables, and toss it all in a flavor-packed dressing. So from Cook's Country, a chicken salad of my dreams, the colorful, ethereal Neorm Sach Moan. Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.